Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up automatic timers on your Govee Floor Lamp 2. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have your Govee Floor Lamp 2 and you want it to turn automatically on and off every day. How do you actually go ahead and set that up? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now in order to do this, what you're first going to do is go into the Govee Home app. Next, click on the Floor Lamp 2 and make sure that it's turned on. Now on the left hand side, you're going to see a button called timer. Click on timer. And then this is where you can set your floor lamp to turn on and off every day. So if you click on one of these buttons, you can have the timing type set to on or off. You can also set the time, and then you can select which days you want to repeat. As a rule of thumb, normally when I have a timer to turn on, I normally pair it with a timer to turn off. But that's more so up to you because you could actually go ahead and turn it off manually or use the remote control as well. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and set up automatic timers on your Govee Floor Lamp 2. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.